These moon lamps have been extremely popular, and today we're going to be testing it out to see whether or not they're worth buying. This specific moon lamp changes colors, has a remote control, and it's rechargeable, and we'll test all of that out inside this video. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Inside of the box we have the moon lamp, we have a 3-piece stand, a remote control, and a power cord. You are going to need a USB-A power brick for this power cord, and that's unfortunate, but the majority of us already have plenty of those, so that's not a problem. To put together the stand, it's simple. You just take the pieces, and there's the notches and pegs on each one of these pieces, so you're just going to line them up so that they make this geometric stand. And just like that, our moon lamp is ready to go. One thing I didn't expect is just how satisfying this moon lamp really is. It's kind of rough and bumpy, and it's hard plastic, but it's definitely cool because it's so lightweight. Now, I was sent this moon lamp to test and review inside this video, but you're only going to get my honest opinion after we test out all of the features. I went ahead and plugged it in, so let's go ahead, turn it on, and see what it looks like. So you can tell we have a little bit of a glow here, and if I turn off the lights, then you can really see it glow. And honestly, I really like this yellow-orange tint. We can change this to white or even blue, green, red, all these different colors, but I think that yellow looks the most realistic, and I love the glowing effect. But just for fun, let's go ahead and go through all the different colors. So we have pink, we have light blue, we have orange, purple, dark green, yellow, another green, blue, and red. So on the remote, you're getting many different shades of those colors, and I think that that's pretty cool. We also have some other buttons on here. So this is flash, and it looks like it flashes through all the different colors. And then we have smooth, so it's gonna smoothly change from color to color. Then we have fade, which is an even slower transition. And then we have strobe, which is a continuous movement between the colors, and it slowly changes from the greens to the blues, to the pinks, to the purples, which in my opinion might be one of the best modes. On top of that, we have 4 different timers here. So we have a 15-minute, 30-minute, 45, and an hour timer on the remote. And you can also change the brightness. So if I turn off this light, this is going to be the brightest that it gets, and then I can dim it all the way down to there. So there's quite a big difference between max brightness and the lowest setting. Not to mention, this moon lamp is also rechargeable, so I can remove the cord and it's still gonna operate. I haven't tested out the battery capacity yet, but I love that I can unplug this and move it anywhere around my room, and it doesn't have to be plugged in. So now it's time to answer the question, is the moon lamp worth the hype? And I personally think so, especially this one right here, because it is rechargeable and you can change the color of the moon. So if you were curious on whether or not the moon lamp is worth buying, I 100% say yes, it is worth buying if you want a cool little accent light in your room. There's a lot to love about this little moon lamp, making it a standout as far as accent lights go. It's definitely a winner in my book. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps. My name's David, and if you're into more content like this, I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and stick around for when I release my next review.